Hello guys, my name is Pushkar Shinde. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to tell you the information about the Argus safety system. So basically, let's start with the full form of Argus. So Argus is a analytical analytical reports gathering and updating system. So basically it is useful software, or we can say application, for for in all industry, and it in all industry, and it can be customized according to personal use and personal needs, and in whatever form if we want. And the plus point of this software is because this software is very safe and effective also, and it is user friendly and easy to use. So it is a very commonly used software in various industries. In various industries, this software is mainly developed by Oracle company. Oracle company in 2018, which is specialist in pharma industry. In pharma industry, they provide safety for various document like adverse drug report form, patient's information, and it provides safety and database for all the documents, and analyze it, and it helps to analyze it helps to analyze the it helps to analyze what the document which is given which is easily given to the person in the respected company. So in pharma industry, it is commonly used for ICSR reports, for ICSR reports, individual case safety report, or adverse drugs event reporting. It also helps to manage files and documentation, and it provides very safety for the particular document, so it does not get hacked or any kind of other viruses in the system. So there are six or seven basic points of that Argus. Is that it compliance with the global regulation and standard. It complies with, because this software is commonly used in all over the world. So it is marked with the specific standard, and that standard should be applied globally, and that provides safety that provides safety to its customer or users. A lower cost and complexity through the SaaS development, because it is a very affordable it is very affordable to use, and it is a and SaaS deployment also used in the safe system. Efficient case processing via autonomous and of each of use. The in the Argus system, it provide the whatever case is given, it provide efficiently, and it provide rapidly to prevent the time of that the next one is the powerful, extensible, and user friendly analytical and report. Because it is a very so it is easily customizable, so it is a very user friendly, and it is very easy to use. And the single global database include Japan cases and user interface. It contains single global database, and easily include the Japan. And it is the ownership cost is also low for this or Argus system. So the Argus system we can easily get by the two way. From the one is a subscription model, and one is a ownership model. So in two way we can have it for use. The in pharma in the Argus available is based the Argus is available on the license based and cloud based. So the license base is basically it give a license for the specific person. This specific number of person can be used from certain price point. And in cloud based type, it become the subscription model, so that if you paid some kind of amount. So how many there is number of people, yeah, there is a n number of people can use the software and do their work. So it contain the it contain various information about the pharmaceutical industry and whatever required. The first one, it contain information about, and it contain the tabs about the triage. Second one is the general tab. The third one is the patient tab, which contain all the information about the patient. Then the product tab, which contain all the information about the drug which is responsible for the adverse drug reaction. Event tab in which contain the all information about we should fill the all information about the whatever adverse drug event is happen. Analysis tab, activities tab, and additional information and regulatory reporting. So these are the tabs which are including the Argus system. So this is the information about the Argus system. Thank you for watching this video, guys.